Okay, so today we're going to finish up our notes that we've been working on for a while. So you should have this done, and you guys should have this done, and these two. If you don't because you are absent, make sure you're getting it copied from someone. But right now, what you're going to be working on are these two problems right here. We have this guy, and then we have this guy. So you can use your pop folder if you need to look at it. You can use other notes. But right now, for the next 5 to 10 minutes, I want you to be working on this by yourself. That means no help from anyone else, because you need to know what you can get done without anyone else's help. So maybe you just know a part of it, maybe you need all of it, or maybe you need to pay attention a little bit more so you can understand what's happening. Because these are the last two that are going to happen before the homework's going to be coming. So right now the sub's going to stop the video for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll be starting it back up in a little bit. Okay, let's see how you did on these. This right here, it says, what solid figure does this net fold into? If you looked into your poppable, you will see that this is a triangular prism. So triangular prism. And I see some shapes here. I see a rectangle and a triangle. It's okay if you did the triangle on top and the rectangle on bottom. Not a big deal. We have 3 rectangles. And we have 2 triangles. Okay, let's do the rectangles first. The formula is area equals length times width. If I look up here at my rectangle, the numbers that are associated along with that are 5 and 10. So area equals 5 times 10. Hopefully you got 5 times 10 is 50 centimeters squared. Now let's go to the triangle. Here's my triangle right here. So I know my height is 4.3, but it doesn't tell me what my base is right here. But you guys know if this side's 5, then that side's going to be 5. So we're going to do our formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2 times the base is 5. The height is 4.3. So in your calculator, we're going to be typing in 1/2 times 5 times 4.3, and we get 10.75 centimeters squared. Now we're not done. We have to take 50 and multiply it by 3 because there are 3 rectangles. So 50 times 3, you should have gotten 150. Plus, we have to do the triangle. We're going to take 10.75 and multiply it by 2 because there's 2 triangles. So 10.75 times 2, and we get 21.5. Now we're going to add these two together. So I have 21.5 plus 150, and I get an answer of 171.5 centimeters squared. That is our answer right there. Now let's look at our next one. This looks similar to our triangular pyramid that we have in our folder, but it's not a triangular pyramid because the base is not a triangle. It is a square. So this is a square pyramid. Shape 1, I'm going to go with my square. There's only one square. For a square, you can either use area equals length times width, or you can use area equals s squared. So my numbers for my square are 4 and 4. So area equals 4 times 4, and that area is 16 feet squared. Shape 2 are triangles. There are 4. And our formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. Let's look up here. Here's my triangle. My height is 5. If it's 4 here, it's going to be 4 over there. So we're using 5 and 4. area equals 1/2 times 4 times 5. So some of you can do that in your head. Others of you cannot. If you can't, that's fine. We're going to get